Noodle, what you sniffing? So I was walking with Noodle up here and I realized it's been almost a whole year since the first time I took a video of us taking a walk in the woods at the top of the hill. You see birds? Are you a bird man? There's some good sniffs there, bud. Good sniffs. Noodle, remember when we first came here and you were a baby? You are very little and small and floofy and silly. He's like, there's some birds there. Are you a bird dog, Mr. Noodle Doodle? He's doing his weird prowl. No prowling. What? Wanna go where the birds are? Newts. Noodle. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Yes, the best boy. Ah, little birds. He's being unusually birdy today, actually. Last night there were some animals out being animals, so I think maybe they left some interesting smells too. I pee everywhere. Hey, nice boy. Noodle. He's a good boy, yes. Hi, the best boy. Hi, best boy. Hi, good boy. Is that the best boy? Yes, he's good. Handsome. Noodle. Look, wanna walk? Come on. Yeah. He's a good boy, yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy, birds. There's some sheep down there. Oh my gosh. A beautiful boy. Come here. Lazy. It's sheep. Oh, there they go. Bah. What do you think? What do you think about those sheeps? Newts? Ooh. Very birdie boy. All right, Noons. Should we go have some breakfast? Yeah, okay.